Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to be pressure washing my driveway. I have my pump sprayer, pool chlorinating liquid. There's a half a gallon of water in here already. I got a little over a cup of, oh, that's 2 cups. Anyway, I'm going to mix that with the water. Put the pump sprayer back in. As you can see, we have a little algae built up. So I'm going to use my pump sprayer, spray it down with a good pump. Let's see if we can get this stuff off. Alright, let's go ahead and spray it down. Alright, I got it sprayed down. I'm gonna let it dry a little bit. I'll be right back. So here I got the Ryobi 3000 PSI pressure washer, built by Honda. They always have a good engine. So we're gonna go ahead and start it on up. Alright, now I'm gonna go ahead and rinse it off.